Hello, class. Today, we're going to learn about one of the most important systems in our body, the digestive system. This system helps us break down the food we eat and turn it into energy and nutrients our body needs to stay healthy. Let's explore each part step by step. 1. Mouth. The digestive process starts in the mouth. Here, our teeth chew the food into smaller pieces, while our saliva softens it and begins breaking it down with special chemicals called enzymes. This makes it easier for our body to digest the food. 2. Esophagus. Once we swallow, the food travels down a long muscular tube called the esophagus. The esophagus uses gentle squeezing movements, called peristalsis, to push the food into the stomach. 3. Stomach. In the stomach, food is mixed with strong stomach acids and digestive juices. These break down the food into a liquid mixture called chyme. The stomach also helps kill harmful bacteria from the food we eat. 4. Liver. Next, let's look at the liver. The liver has many jobs, but one important role in digestion is producing bile, a greenish fluid that helps break down fats. The liver also filters harmful substances from our blood. 5. Gallbladder. The gallbladder is a small organ under the liver. It stores bile and releases it when we need it to digest fatty foods. 6. Pancreas. The pancreas produces juices that contain enzymes. These enzymes help break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats so our body can absorb nutrients. 7. Small intestine. Food then enters the small intestine, a long coiled tube where most digestion and nutrient absorption happens. Tiny finger-like shapes called villi line the walls of the small intestine and absorb nutrients into the blood. 8. Large intestine. After nutrients are absorbed, the remaining waste moves into the large intestine. This organ absorbs water and minerals, turning the leftover material into solid waste or stool. 9. Rectum and anus. Finally, the rectum stores solid waste until it's ready to leave the body through the anus. This is how the digestive system completes its job. To summarize, the digestive system includes mouth esophagus, stomach liver, gallbladder pancreas, small intestine, large intestine rectum anus. Each part plays an important role in breaking down food and keeping our body healthy. Without this system, we wouldn't get the energy and nutrients we need every day. Now that you understand the digestive system, try to eat a balanced diet and drink lots of water to keep your digestive system strong and healthy.